In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Reconciliation Summary Report in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it can be really helpful when you need to review completed reconciliations, check past accounting work, or share reconciliation details with your accountant. The good news is that QuickBooks Online keeps this report easy to access once you know where to look. To get started, look over to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click on Reports. This is where you'll find a wide range of financial and bookkeeping reports, so if you're new to this area, don't worry. We're going to head straight to the one you need. Once you're in the Reports section, go to Standard Reports. This area organizes the built-in reports that come with QuickBooks Online, making it easier to browse by category instead of searching through everything manually. From there, scroll down until you find the section called For My Accountant. This category includes reports that are especially useful for reviewing financial accuracy, supporting month-end work, and helping with bookkeeping or tax preparation tasks. If you're trying to confirm that an account was properly reconciled, this is the right place to be. Inside that section, select Reconciliation Reports. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks lists available reconciliation reports for your accounts. At this point, if you've already completed a reconciliation, you'll be able to select a report here and open it to view the details. This is where you can review the reconciliation summary and confirm the ending balance, cleared transactions, and other important information tied to that completed reconciliation. If you haven't finished a reconciliation yet, QuickBooks will redirect you to the reconciliation area so you can begin reconciling your accounts first. That's because the Reconciliation Summary Report only becomes available after a reconciliation has been completed. So if you don't see a report right away, it usually just means that steps still needs to be done. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're looking for a report from an account that has actually been reconciled before, such as a bank account or credit card account with completed reconciliation history. That can save you time and help avoid confusion if the report list appears empty, and that's all there is to it. That's how you find the Reconciliation Summary Report in QuickBooks Online.